is facing the sea. Okay, this house land area is 1915 square feet and the built out area is 4321 square feet. This house have the 4+1 bedroom and 6 bathroom. Let us go inside see the house.
Yes, you can park your yacht right at home with this massive 1011 skew-eft private pontoon. All 4+1 bedrooms come with their own private and suite bathrooms for ultimate privacy. All bedrooms feature private, individual wardrobes for maximum storage. Bedroom with master, stunning sea and marina views. Equipped with a private lift, this grand home is completely accessible and friendly for all ages. Features 2 elegant reception halls, offering ultimate privacy and space for hosting guests. Designed for the ultimate chef, enjoy the luxury of having completely separated dry and wet kitchens. Imagine sitting right here in your bespoke guest lounge, soaking in the stunning sea views. This is the definition of true luxury. Available for move-in anytime. Selling at RM 4.5 million or renting at RM 13,000. PM me now for an exclusive viewing.